It's story time.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Linda, and I'm going to read you another story about Katie Woo. The book is written by Fran Minushkin, and it's illustrated by Tammy Lyon. The book is about too much rain. So let's continue. Hope you enjoy this book today.
In this book, named Too Much Rain, there are some words that you might not understand, so I'm going to tell you what they are and what they mean. Basement. Basement is an area in a building that is below ground level. Kitchen. Kitchen is a room in which food is prepared and cooked. Photos. Pictures taken by a camera. Shelter. A place where you are safe during bad weather. Worried. Felt uneasy about something. So let's continue now and read the story, Too Much Rain. Katie's mom told her, the weatherman says it will keep raining until tomorrow. The mayor was on TV. There may be some flooding, he warned. Everyone should go to a shelter. When the rain stops, you can go home. Katie packed a suitcase with shirts and pants and underpants and pajamas. She also took her teddy bear and her cat sweet peas bowl and mouse toy. I want to take along our family photo album, said Katie's mom. It has all the pictures of us with Grandma and Grandpa. I thought it was in the living room, but I can't find it. Katie helped search for the album, but nobody found it. The family had to leave without it. Well, let's see what happens in this part of the story. This is chapter 2, The Shelter. As they drove away, Katie saw water flooding into her neighbors' houses. It was scary. The shelter was in the high school gym. Katie's friends, Pedro and Jojo, were already there. Jojo was holding her little cat, Niblet. Niblet was hiding in the closet, Jojo said. We almost had to leave without her. That night, Katie slept on a cot at the shelter. Many other people did too. The shelter felt strange to Katie. She hugged Sweet Pea and her teddy bear tight. The next morning, the mayor said, I have good news. The rain has stopped. Everyone can go home. Katie Woo was worried about her house. Would it be flooded with water? Well, let's see. Let's read chapter 3, Going Home. Katie's family hurried back to their house. When they reached their block, Katie saw her house standing tall. A stream of water was pouring down of the basement window. Katie spotted something floating in the water. "Mom," Katie shouted, "it's your photo album." Katie's mom hurried out of the car and grabbed the album before it floated away. "The cover is wet, but the pages are okay," she said. The family was so happy to be home. They made hot chocolate and drank it in their warm kitchen. "There is some water in the basement," said Katie's dad, "but we can pump it out." Katie called her friends, Jojo and Pedro. Their houses were safe, too. "We were lucky," said Katie's mom. "We have our house, and we have each other." Let's take a happy picture. Picture for our photo album, Katie said. So they did. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this story. The library near your home has many more books about Katie Wu and her adventures. As you get older and learn to read on your own, you will understand that Katie Wu's stories are also designed to teach you something about life. Reading is exciting because you can learn so many things about the world and the people who live there. Until next time, bye for now.